Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I did these nails today. I did see them on Instagram from this user and they did so good. I found the image online that I was going to follow. It's only a tiny bit different from what the original is, so I followed the photo rather than the actual nails, even though her design is way simpler. Starting off with the base of the nails, I did show how to apply these in my last video showing the green hollow, and underneath our whole situation, I talk more about that in the last video. I did buff off the shine from the nails, and I rubbed off any dust with some rubbing alcohol. I did speed up most of the footage. I was just gonna keep it at its normal speed, but if I did that it would have taken ages. But I just wanted to ask you guys what you think, if you'd rather just have me keep it normal speed or if you'd rather have it sped up so you don't have to sit through all of it. I am using this shade from the Beetles collection. Most of the colored polishes I'm using are from Beetles, and I'll leave a link below to the exact collection I used for these colors. But I'm just putting this on all of my nails and then I'm doing a second coat after. And a lot of times you won't see a lot of what's going on, or I'll cut a bunch because my fat head keeps getting in the way. And with my fat head in the way, my hair is swinging on in. You can see it on the screen now. It is not fun, but I'm not gonna let my hair get in the way, guys. It is really annoying, but I'm hoping you guys don't notice it. I hope that you're paying attention to the nails at least, where you don't see my hair, because I was editing and it was so frustrating. I am not redoing this tutorial, if you would call it that. I'm now getting into drawing the design on my nails. It was really hard, to be honest. It's not that easy. I wouldn't say it's a complicated design, but it was pretty complicated for me, and having to make sure I was in frame, which, spoiler alert, most of the time I'm not. But I tried my hardest, guys. You can at least see most of what I'm doing, and I'm gonna hop on and tell you what's going on if you really don't know, because there's a lot of things where even I couldn't tell what I was doing. I'm drawing the center of the butterfly on my middle finger, and I'm basically just sculpting out everything. I mostly spent time sculpting it, the patterns, and then I would fill it all in at the end. And then if I messed up, I would just take a clean brush, dip it in rubbing alcohol, and I'll wipe it off and sculpt it better. right here, I'm drawing the little holes that are in the wings. I'm gonna keep popping up the picture for reference, but I'm drawing the little circles and then I'll fill in around the circles. Continuing onto the first wing, I made sure I would compare my fingers next to each other before I started drawing to kind of map out where every point should go. And I basically just drew what I saw in the picture. Honestly, it's not perfect, but I was still really proud of the end result. Here I'm drawing the circles again, or like the holes, and I get cut off like a bunch because I'm so close. I was really into the drawing, guys, but I did fill in any of the empty space that weren't like the holes and stuff. By the time I get to the second wing, it's pretty easy. I just kind of gotta look down at my other finger. I was really scared to try this out because I'm going in with the drill on my fingernail that I just worked so hard on. It was kind of satisfying though, not gonna lie, but I pierced 2 little holes because I was gonna put 2 little rings in them. this is how they turned out. They were literally so fun. I would like play with them every single day. The one bad thing, let me tell you guys, the one bad thing is they would always get caught in my hair because I would run my fingers through my hair and it would get stuck to my scalp. It was not fun, but it's okay. You gotta do what you gotta do. Beauty is pain. I dealt with it for so long until they eventually got stuck on one of my blankets and it like ripped out. It didn't hurt my nail. It didn't rip off my nail. It just ripped out the little loop. I didn't draw anything on my pinky or my thumb, but I did put these really cute rhinestones on. I only put one on the very bottom. And to do that, I just put top coat on my entire nail and stuck the rhinestone there. And that was it. I think they turned out really cute. They're probably my favorite set ever, and I'm really happy I found that post on Instagram. Definitely go check out their account because I would have never thought to do something like this, and it turned out really cute. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.